guys, welcome back to another YouTube video from the George Toys Games YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a big unboxing. Let me just show you all the colors. There's going to be two special ones at the end. So these are going to be the ones I'm opening. Only those. No, and these. Oh my god, there's so many stuff. And this. And this. Hold on, let me go get something. Okay. First, we're going to be look at this dude. Anyways, today we're going to be opening the Moon Eyes Bone Shaker I got not too long ago. Let's open it! Spooky month. And why did I say spooky month? He didn't pull my shine. But look, this is the Moon Eyes Bone Shaker. Pretty cool. It's a 2021 released Hot Wheel. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye, guys. As so you thought. Why did I say it like that though? I just got an article. Let go. Okay, and then we're gonna be opening this. Oh, I am sorry, but yeah, that had to be like a BTS thing. I'm not cutting that out though. What did I do that? No. What? Anyways, let's just get on with the review. Anyways, we're gonna be opening the 00s. This guy was released in 00. Like, what? Yeah, let's just open him. Let's open Bone Shaker. Let's open a Bone Shaker, okay? Let's go! Look at this one. This one looks sick. Me and my dad love the classic, like, colors. Classic, the Hoies that look like classic colors. We love those. But anyways, I think you could tell because Bone Shaker is my favorite holiday. It's gonna be a big mess to clean up. Anyways, now we're going to the Pixel Shaker that's purple. I found this like yesterday. Let's go. This purple Pixel Shaker. This looks sick. Let's go. Has a special feature too. Oh, and the Skull Shaker I don't have. I mean, I have them. I do have the Skull Shaker. And then Picture Shaker, the blue one, I like. Because, I mean, my favorite color is blue. And, see, I have magic powers too, but I don't want to use all of them because it only lasts for like a few times. So this is, look at the wheel though, let's go! The blue Pixel Shaker. Okay, time to open Batman. Batman! I hope I don't get copyrighted for that. I may jinx it. Maybe not. Probably. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Anyways, this is the Batman, the TV series Batmobile. Let's go. They have a blue one of this too. And yeah, I'm pretty sure. We don't have that one though. We have this one. That's all. And now we have the game version of Bone Shaker. Let's go. Anyways, gotta open this very carefully. I used my powers again. I don't know why, even though this is easy. Oh, look, there's a guy. Look. Anyways, look at this. This looks sick. Is that right? Am I wrong? I'm just kidding. But look, he looks sick. Honestly. Okay. The Bone Shaker 50th anniversary one. Let's go. This may take a while. Look. The golden Bone Shaker, guys. Look at this. This is 6, right, guys? 6, 6. 6 is 6. Guess 6, 6. Okay. Anyways, look at the golden Bone Shaker though. That looks sick. Anyways, that's the end of this video. This is definitely a big unboxing. And I'm just kidding, because there's 2 more cards that we have to open. And that's the 2 surprises. Time to get them. Okay. This is the Francesca Balloni, the racing red one. You can tell by the back. I did not order this on eBay. I promise to the swear of God. I mean, I don't have money on credit card. I mean, I do be rolling and money, dude. My wallet's gone. I do be rolling money, dude. Anyways, this is the racing by Francesca Balloni. Is that an Italian dish? Anyways, this is the racing by Francesca Balloni. And time to open him. Yes, and I still like cars. Don't blame me for that. And I'm 10 years old. No, I'm 5. I'm sorry. If I was 5. I mean, I can do that. Oh! Look at this beautiful guy. As in, how shiny is this? Look at him. This guy looks sick. Let's go. Did you think I ended the video? No. I mean, how would you think that? Because you're watching this right now. Anyways, there's one more. And it has to... Let's go. Piss a couple of shins when I watched this video. You said that it took forever to find this. At the school, I literally just walked into it. My dad picked me up and walked into a Target. And then we found this. And then we got it. I mean, look. Look how he looks right here. Look how Lightning McQueen looks right there. Look at his face right there. I mean, look at this. Wait, I'll just show you. I'm not finish opening. Be right back. Ah! Let go. Anyway, I mean, look at that. That's also, this is all the packaging. Yeah. This is the Pixel Fix 2021 Lightning McQueen, and I love this car, and this is mine. As in all the Halloween clothes they had. My dad has a big collection of this one. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. Not really. No, I'm just gonna show you something. These are how many cars I opened. That's to about 9. So 9 cars we have opened today. And this much of a mess. Sigh. Anyways, good unboxing. Big unboxing. Like and subscribe to George Toys Games. We'll see what we get Ian by Spider tonight. Just kidding. Anyways, just subscribe.